Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the file explorer will not open on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First thing I recommend to do Control Alt Delete at the same time guys. Control Alt Delete, press it in your keyboard. Go to Task Manager and you need to go to File tab over here, run new tab, and you need to type explorer explorer. Click OK. Now minimize it and you need to Windows Explorer, right click on it and restart it. Give it a moment guys and close out of here. Go to search menu and type file explorer option. OPTION, open it. In here you need to select restore defaults, click on it and apply, and go to view tab over here and you need to select restore defaults, select it and apply, and you need to go to search tab over here and you need to select restore defaults, select it and apply and OK. Now set up here, and last thing final, go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Here you need to type sfc space slash scannow, press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time guys. After finishing this verification 100%, go and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.